Can you transfer money from your Clearpay to Wise? Today we will talk about if you can transfer money from your Clearpay account to your Wise. First of all, we will talk about what actually Clearpay is. Clearpay is actually a platform which assists you buying products in installments, which means you can actually buy the product an instant and pay for that product in monthly or weekly basis. Totally depends upon your credibility. Now, the second thing is what actually is ClearPay in terms of payment. So, whatever the payments that you make in your ClearPay are actually from your bank accounts, which means you are not actually able to transfer your funds from your ClearPay to any other platforms. In order to transfer it, you actually have to transfer your money from your bank account. You won't be able to use Clearpay to transfer money between one account to other. So you just have to open up your bank account and transfer to someone else's Wise account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.